All right, let's get going. The first step is to mix the egg yolks and sugar. You'll need a mixing bowl and a whisk. First, put the egg yolks in the mixing bowl and add the sugar. Beat the egg yolks and sugar well. Add the cornstarch to the beaten egg yolks. Stir in the milk. That's it for preparations. The next step is to make the egg yolk cream. You'll need a saucepan, a wooden spoon, and a dish towel. Transfer the mixture to the saucepan and place it over low heat. Stir with a wooden spoon while gently heating the mixture until it thickens. Remove the pan from the heat and place it on a wet dish towel. Stir in a dash of vanilla extract. Then let the mixture cool until it reaches room temperature. Mix the cream into the cooled yolk mixture. Preheat the oven to 475 degrees. Next, you'll need a rolling pin, a cutting board, and a round cookie cutter 3 inches in diameter to prepare the pastry. Dust the cutting board with flour, then roll out the pastry with the rolling pin to about 1/8 inch thick. Cut out round pieces of pastry with the cookie cutter. The next step is to put the pastry in the individual pie pans. You'll need small pie pans 2½ inches in diameter. Dust the pie pans with flour, brushing off any excess. Put the pastry in the pie pans, pressing the pastry against the edges and bottoms of the pans. Pour the cooled yolk mixture into the pastry in each pie pan. Put the pie pans into the preheated 475-degree oven and bake for 8 minutes. The tarts are ready to eat. Nice work!